Hello and welcome back to Do You Even Cook, Bro? Today we're going to be making Gator. Now the main reason for this post was to see if Gator is palatable when it is not battered and fried. And I think the answer is a definitive yes. So we have a pound of gator tail meat here, which is white meat. And the whole reason I was curious as to whether or not it's going to cook up fine on a saute pan or an electric griddle is because this stuff is really lean. So I wanted to cut this 1 pound steak into slider size pieces, so small hamburgers, basically to fit the buns I had. If you're doing full size hamburgers, cut them into that size. If you're going to do steaks, cut them into 4 pieces and make 1/4 pound strips. Even though they're separate pieces, they'll stay together once they meet that high heat. So onto the griddle or your saute pan. And as I was mentioning earlier, you don't need to cut them up into such small pieces. I was just using this size for sliders. However, regardless of the size that you decide to cut them in, it's still going to cook very fast. Probably 2 minutes aside. As I flip this over here, this is probably on the griddle for maybe 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now the worst thing you can do here is walk away and start cleaning pots and pans and forgetting that you've got the gator on the grill. You need to stay attentive, even though we brined it as an insurance policy against overcooked dry gator meat. They don't take that long to cook, so stay in front of the stove. And about another 2 minutes on this side and they're ready to pull off the griddle. If you cut them up like steaks, serve them with some potatoes and vegetable. If you did sliders like me, you could serve them simply on a bun with some horseradish mayo. And there you have it, some non-fried gator. Enjoy.